Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert blank number list in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert blank number list. Firstly, go to the Insert menu, then click Table option, then create a table. Then drag the table on the up of this page, then select the first column on this table, then go to the home menu, then click the numbering option and choose the numbering. Then select the all cell of this table and go to the table design menu, then click the borders drop down menu, choose no borders, then click outside of the table. Now we can see we insert blank number list in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.